Okay, so what I have here is the Rave, now with Climashield for extra humidity protection. It says it holds in your style, rain or shine, and it is scented hairspray. It says it's long lasting for hold, firm style control, and it's 4 times more than normal. And this is the 11-ounce can. So what I'm going to start out with this product is I am not a big user of hairspray. I'm not a big user of hairspray just because of my type of hair. Like, I don't put hairspray in my hair like that. So when I do, I try to find a good hairspray because it's not easy for me to find a hairspray that actually deals well with my type of hair. My type of hair is a lot harder to lay down than a lot of other people's hair, and this is a great hairspray. Like, I love this hairspray. I've had a lot of hairsprays in my lifetime, even though like I don't use that many, but like I've had a lot of different ones like used on my hair for such as like weddings or events going out and things like that, and I would say this is probably one of the best ones that I've used. I am, like I said, I'm not a big user of hairspray, but this is probably one of my favorites. It works so well. I can literally spray this for like 3 seconds and put my hair in the style that I need to put it in, and it holds all night or all day or whatever I'm doing. And this hairspray works on all types of hair, and I really like that because all my friends love to use my hairspray. They really love to use my hairspray, and even though it holds very easily, they'll still spray a lot just because, you know, most hairsprays, like, you do have to spray a lot for it to stay. And I always tell them, guys, you don't need to use that much because it holds well. Like, you don't need to use a lot of it. And they still end up spraying a lot just because that's how they are. But I just really like this hairspray because it goes on so many people's hairs and it holds it well. Whether your hair is in a sleek hairstyle or it's down and you're trying to make sure it stays not frizzy for the night or for the day. And I just like how it holds your hair for an extended amount of time, because I know with a lot of other hairsprays that it does not hold your hair as long as it says it would. My hair would frizz up with a lot of hairsprays that I would use. I know one that I used for a wedding, they put hairspray in my hair, and before the wedding even started they had to refix my hair because of how the hairspray did not hold my hair. And my hair is just a different type of texture, so it's, again, like I said, like, it's difficult for me to find a hairspray that actually works for my hair and will keep it held down long enough for me to complete whatever task that I need to complete. Another thing that I like about this hairspray is that, yes, it is scented, and I know a lot of people don't like scented hairsprays because hairsprays usually smell really weird or really like gross or like a weird cleansing product or just something that somebody does not like. And that's mostly why, like, even my friends will ask me, some of the ones that like I don't hang around as much, they'll ask me, do you have any hairspray? And I'm like, yeah. And then they're like, but is it scented? And I'm like, yes, but you can smell it before you spray it, and it does not smell bad at all. And I love the smell of this hairspray. It is the best smelling hairspray, probably hair product, honestly, that I've ever used. I really love the smell of this hairspray. It smells great, and I don't mind putting it in my hair, and it doesn't give me a headache because I'm very sensitive to smells. It doesn't give me a headache. It doesn't leave my skin any type of way. It doesn't even leave my hair dry, which is very odd because a lot of hairsprays, when you put it in your hair, you would think it would dry out your hair, and that's not what this one does. And that's why I really like this hairspray, because I don't like to re-oil my hair or redo anything to my hair after I put hairspray in it. And that's why I really like this product, because I don't have to do it with that. It lays my hair down firm, and I don't have to put any more oils in it after I do any of that. It also brushes out very nicely, because I don't always wash my hair after I put hairspray in it, just because I don't always have the time, and it's for my type of hair, it's not as healthy because my hair gets very dry very easily. So I don't wash my hair all the time, but this brushes out really easily, so I don't even have to, you know, wash my hair right after I use it. I love the design of the can. It's very slim, sleek, gray. I'm a very simple person. It actually matches the theme of my room, which I love. I just like when everything matches and things like that. I just really like the product. It's great for, like I said, any type of hair. My sister's hair is a lot more coarse than mine, and I can put this in her hair and it works just as well for her hair. I do have to use a little bit more just because her hair is different than mine, but it works just as well. It was a very inexpensive hairspray, which I do like because it works so well, but it was so cheap. Like, it works magnificent, but it's like, I could have bought this literally like anywhere because it was so non-expensive, and it's not that big of a size, so you can travel with it. And it's like a little cup, like a bottle, so you can put it like in the side of a backpack or anything. So it's not that hard to travel with, just because it is a very like one shape slender can. I've dropped it and it's pretty much stayed how it is. I mean, there's like a small dent right there, but that's literally it, and I've dropped it multiple times. But I really do love this hairspray. It's one of my favorites, honestly. Again, it's the Rave scented hairspray.